wax all those drips and spills. And the first thing is on hard surfaces, like your quartz countertops or on glass. And an easy, quick way to get it out is with your blow dryer. Turn it on high and hot, point it at the wax, and scrape with a dull, straight edge. Heat it up, and just start scraping. Well, that was really blowing it across. That will take off all of the wax, and to take that residue off, use a little liquid dish soap. Now, if you've got it on wood, it could be wood floors, it could be wood furniture, there's an easy way to get it off with a little vinegar and water. You simply put it on and rub with an old washcloth or a rag. But I've got a great product that will work for you too. De-Solv-It citrus solution will take it off easily. Now, what you'll do is you'll spray it onto the wax, and it will not harm the wood. Now, in order to clean smarter and not harder, we're going to let that sit for a minute, and then we're going to simply take a dull straight edge, and we're going to start, and we're going to scrape that up. It will cause no damage at all to the surface, but it removes it quickly and easily. When you're done, wash it with some soap and water, and you're through. Now, if you've got wax on carpet, that can be a big problem. Putting a bag of ice on it, freezing it, and picking off all that you can is a great way to start. But then you can use a little WD-40, and what we're going to do is spray a little on. Now, what I've done here is put some paper towels around it so that I'm just spraying onto the wax. We're going to spray it on lightly, and then you're going to walk away and let that dry. Now, that could take anywhere from 4 hours to overnight, but when you come back, take a dry sponge and start rubbing at that wax, and it will loosen it and remove it. Once you have it all out, be sure to use your favorite carpet spotter to clean the oil out of the carpet. Now, what about candle wax and clothes or table linens? Really easy way to do that. Put it in the freezer first, because that will freeze it and make it hard and crisp so that you can chop off and chip it off, all of it on the clothes. Then we're going to take some Goo Gone. We're going to squirt it on. Now, Goo Gone, you know, you can find at Lowe's, Home Depot, places like that, or online. And then again, dull straight edge, and start scraping it off and working it between your fingers. But be sure you let it sit so that it can soften that wax and make it easier to remove. Now, if you get wax on stone, this would be granite, travertine, even your cement outside, it's porous, so you have to think about how you're going to get that out of all those little pores. So the first thing you're going to do, again, dull straight edge, and this is just a plastic putty knife, and we're going to start and we're going to scrape off all that you can. Well, the beauty of that is you have most of it off. The bad part is you still have residue, but nail polish remover or alcohol will take that off. Little nail polish remover, rub it on, work it in, and it's gone. And the nail polish remover will not harm the stone. So if you're looking for a copy of this to print out, go to queenofclean.com. Look for me on Facebook at Real Queen of Clean. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.